Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be doing an Amazon haul, and more specifically an Amazon home decor haul. So since we have to stay home a lot more than we do, and it's kind of a normal life now because this is what normal is, I decided that I might as well revamp my room for a proper shoot setup. So I bought a lot of stuff on Amazon, and this is more of an Amazon home decor haul. Along with that, I will also show you some of the workout clothes that I bought because I was running out of them. I have a few sports bras and I have shorts. I also bought canvases and I bought fairy lights, which I'm going to show you in the video. So I'm going to be unpacking all of them in this video right in front of you, and I'm going to be attaching all the links as well as the prices in the description down below. In case you want to buy them, if you like them, you can definitely click on the links down below. So let's get started. This is a very pretty gold-plated frame. I can use a hand-painted picture in this, or I can use a printed picture in this, and I can easily hang it on the wall with this. As soon as I'm done decorating my room, I will make sure that I do a video on that as well. But yeah, I absolutely love this one. So these are 8 pieces of very small photo frames, and you can actually create an entire frame wall with these. So these are actually 8 pieces. 7 of them are really small, and this one is slightly big. So I'm going to put it in the middle, and I'm going to show you how my entire wall looks once I'm done decorating my room. And these ones are really small, and they can actually go right around the bigger one. They've actually sent a few pictures of the same measurements that we can definitely use. And in the frames, they're very cool pictures. They're all black and white, so they will really match together and look very good together. Another thing that this package has is these needles that will most probably obviously go on the wall. Another thing I'm really excited about is this. So this is the wooden rack that I bought finally for my Instagram videos. If you don't follow me on Instagram, it's GoToMarriedDiva, and this rack is amazing. It'll hold all my clothes that have just come from ironing, and hold my hats and also the most important shoes of my life. Before opening the rack, I'm going to open the smaller stuff because that rack is going to need a lot of setting up. So I'm going to be opening the jute rug right here. So this is the jute rug that I ordered, and trust me guys, it's gonna look amazing with the beige rack for my clothes that I've ordered. I can't wait to open this rack, but this rack needs a lot of setting. So I'm gonna do it at the end. Before that, I'm just gonna open all the smaller things that I've ordered, including all my sports bras and sports shorts. This is another sports bra that I've ordered. If you like it, I'm gonna link it down below. Whichever sports bra I've ordered is kind of very comfortable. I have another one, a neon one, which I'm going to add in this video. So this is the sports bra that I've ordered. I'm pretty sure it's going to be really comfortable because the material is really nice. I can't wait to wear it and show you how it looks. So these are the gym shorts that I ordered. Since it's summers, I wanted really comfortable horsey shorts. I'm pretty sure these are going to be really comfortable because I work out at home. I really wanted shorts that are super comfortable. I've ordered one in black and another one in pink. I'm pretty sure that I'm going to use them as a night suit as well when I want to sleep. This is done, this is done, this is done. So hey guys, yeah, so I finally tried the sports bra. I also ordered neon one, which is also very good, and it pretty well. It's very comfortable. I just wanted to show you the shape and the fit of the sports bra while I was opening the rack. It took me a while to open the rack. I'm going to show you all the pieces. I have to set it up with the help of my mom or somebody, so I can't really show you how to set it up in this video. But it has this entire illustrated page where it's shown how to set the rack up, and I'll show you all the pieces inside the rack. So there are a few pieces here where it's a 2-layer clothing rack that you have to join with the help of a hammer and needles, and I really can't do it alone. I think I'm not adept to do this shit alone, but yeah. So I've got a few pieces like this. This is basically, I think, they come from the top where the hangers are placed, and there's also a broader one like this where the shoes are placed. Basically, these are the side holders where you have to place the racks. And yeah, I'm going to take the help of my mom to do this and make another video of setting this up once I do it. Another thing that I ordered from Amazon were these lights. They're really good lights. I know there's a lot of bright light, sunlight coming inside, so you can't see how bright they are. But once it's dark, these lights are really good. They basically have 3 cells here. The battery is changeable, so I don't think they'll ever not work. They have a switch here. I also ordered a remote with this, so I can use the remote to like increase the speed of the light or decrease the speed or switch it off. This is also another way of changing the mode of the light, and I think this is super cool. I'm going to attach the link of this light in the description below in case you want to hang it anywhere on your wall or maybe use it in your shoots. Or if you're not a vlogger like I am, you can also just put it for a normal decoration. The shorts also that I showed you in this video, I'm wearing it right now just to tell you or show you how the fitting is. The fitting is great. So they are kind of tight for me, but the shorts look really good, and I really love the sports bra. I have a similar one in neon. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it helped you in case you're looking for any home decor items on Amazon, or in case you're looking to change the interiors of your house. So in case you like this video, do subscribe to my channel as well as follow me on Instagram. My handle is The Dramatic Diva. Thanks for watching.